Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make money using data entry skill on Fiverr. So it's very easy job, so anyone can do this project. Like if you are a student, if you are a housewife, and if you want to start your freelancing journey, and if you want to make money online, so this video for you. And if you are new in this channel, so don't forget to subscribe because I make videos on how to make money online, how you can start your freelancing journey, how you can start your YouTube blogging, and how you can start your online business. And if you check my YouTube channel, you will get lots of money making content. That's mean Upwork, Fiverr, freelancing. And also don't forget to check the playlist section and you will get a different kind of playlist like Fiverr data entry jobs and generation jobs. Already 17 videos there, so today's video gonna add it there. It would be 18 videos. So I'm a freelancer and still now I'm working on Upwork and Fiverr as well. So I showed you different kind of videos and I also showed you my account. So it's a not clickbait video, it's completely information and step-by-step tutorial video. So if you watch this full video, I think you will get a bunch of ideas how to start your journey and you can understand that is this job is for you or not, and you can do this or not. If you only watch this video but you didn't practice, so it wouldn't work for you. So definitely each and every video you have a practice section, so don't forget to practice. So practice and practice. So when you practice, when you create different kind of account and when you practice, so then you can realize and so that you can build your own confidence that you can do this project. Okay, so I will not take more time from you, just jump into our main video. Okay, so here you can see this is my Upwork account and here you can see jobs you might like, best message. That's mean this is the job already buyer posted 16 hours ago. So this is the job details. Here you can see the payment verified. That's mean the buyer payment is also verified and the buyer from United States and he or she spent already 7,000 USD. That's mean it's a genuine project, genuine buyer. This is how you can check a verified buyer. Okay, the job proposal, it's a fixed price but we don't know even the price. So let's click on the project and I will explain each and every part so you can understand very easily. Okay, so before starting step-by-step tutorials, so what will you need to do? Just you need a Upwork account. Okay, so if you don't have any Upwork account, just sign up the Upwork account. I have already the video that I showed how you can make money on Upwork, like how to get data entry jobs Upwork. So watch this video. I showed how you can sign up the Upwork account. So I think it's a complete tutorial, so you can watch and create your account. So after completing your account, just landed your profile and you can see this kind of project. Okay, so this is the job title. I need data entry expert, posted 16 hours ago. And it's a worldwide. That's mean wherever you are, you have internet or computer, you can do this project. Okay, and let's check the project price. Okay, it's a $10 project. It's a pretty simple work, that's why budget is very low, but don't worry, when you getting more and more jobs, so your price will be higher. Okay, so it's your starting, so don't worry about it. And it's a totally entry level. That's mean I am looking for freelancers with the lowest rates. So entry level, that's mean as a beginner. So one more thing, we have to check the higher rate. That's really important for a new freelancer. So if you are a new freelancer, if you must to check the higher rate. So higher rate is 100% is perfect, best. Okay, so if you see the lowest higher rate, so please don't apply this kind of job because maybe this buyer won't hire any freelancer. Okay, and here you can see the hourly rate is fantastic, $16.69 per hourly rate, and it's a sales and marketing and larger company. Okay, so this person has a big company, 1000 plus people working in their company. So if you can get this kind of project from this kind of buyer, so your chances is a win-win situation. That's mean you can hired by again and again from this kind of buyer. Okay, so let's see the skills and expertise, most important thing. So what should you know? So it's completely basic skills and expertise. Okay, so if you know the data entry, Google Doc, how to manage Google Doc, how to manage Microsoft Excel, accuracy verification, okay, Microsoft Word database, so those are the skills you must have to know. But it's not a mandatory that you have to expert on that. Okay, so if you know basic search, how to Google search, so that's the another criteria. So let's jump into our description, that's my job description, and how you can do this project. So I will show you the step by step how you can done this kind of project. Okay, so let's try to read this project. It's a 2-sentence project. It's very easy. Hi there, we are looking for data entry specialist who can collect the list of architecture from USA. So that's mean we have to find architecture from USA. That's mean from 50 states. Okay, we can search state by state and city by city. Okay, so I will show you that, no problem. We need their business email, owner name, email, phone number and address. So it's very easy. So how can we do this project? So first of all, we have to create a Excel sheet. Okay, so let's create a Google spreadsheet. So it's a Google Apps, and scroll down, you will see a sheet section. So click on sheet and it will come up as some templates, but we don't need to any kind of templates. So it's completely blank spreadsheet. So click on blank spreadsheet, and next part is we have to input a title name. That's mean the spreadsheet title name. So what should be the title name? Title name from architecture from USA. Okay, that should be the title name. That should, you have to work on this kind of project, architecture from USA. All right, and we have to input some field name. That's mean buyer requirement has business name. All right, so we can input this here, business name, also the owner name. All right, so it could be first name or last name, so no problem, you can keep it as it is, because if it need first name and last name, so you can split the column. Okay, no problem. Email address and the phone number and also the address, and let's copy the address. Okay, so how you can create a spreadsheet and how you can add some fields name. Okay, perfect. Now we have to search on Google or LinkedIn. So wherever you search, you have to find the architecture from USA. So how you can do this? So let's find from the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the best platform to finding the leads. That's mean it could be B2B lead generation or any kind of B2C lead generation. Okay, so how you can find from LinkedIn? So it's a step number 3. So step number 2, we have done our Google spreadsheet, and step number 3, we have to find the leads from LinkedIn. All right, so here you can see the search section. So here you can see the search section. So first of all, I will copy the architecture keyword. So we are looking for architecture, and also you can type it here. So architecture. All right, here you can see the architecture. All right, and just click on the architecture. You will get some architecture services, design groups, manager. Okay, architecture owner. All right, so you can select on architecture, and here you can see the groups, jobs, post, people. So click on people, because we are looking for architecture owner. Okay, and here you can see the connection. So you must always select third, show results, and let's check the location, which is really important. It's a USA. Let's click on USA, show results. So here you can see the results. It's uncountable for me, so you can count it. So here you can see current company. So don't need to put current company, and all filters, click on all filters, and here you can see the lots of filters that's been talks about. All right, current company, past company, schools, industry. Also you can select the services and the keywords. Here you can see the title section. Okay, so we will type it here, owner. Okay, so we are looking for only owner, so type it owner and show results, and it will filter, and here you can see 82,000 results come up. That's been from United States. We can find 82,000 architecture owner. So how you can collect this kind of information? The part number 4. So our third step is complete, and now fourth step, we have to collect the information and we have to verify the information. How you can do this? Open individually, that's mean one by one you can open, and you can find their email address and also the other information. So email address is very important because for lead generation it's a primary role. So if you can find a valid email address, it doesn't work for buyer. So you must have to more serious about the valid email address, finding the valid email address. Okay, so here you can see this person. So we have to find the email address. So how you can find the email address? So let's find the email list. Okay, so click on the adapt. It's a email finding tools, and here you can see the adapt prospector. So here you can see the person name, and still now they are searching, and also it's a lead generation tools, and it's now free. So you can use as a premium version. Here you can see upgrade section. Here you can see the person, here you can see the email address. It's 95% valid. So perfect. Copy the email address and go back to your sheet and paste it here, email section, and rest of the task just copy and paste. So when you can get the person valid email address, so your task should be very easier because you just need to copy and paste the others information like the first name, last name. Okay, it's a company owner name and phone number, address. Okay, so what should be the business name? Business name, it should be 45 architecture. That's their company name, definitely. Also you can check their website and address. So where is the address? So you can copy it from here. All right, so it's a address. Alright, so we have left phone number. So how you can find the phone number? So personal phone number is really tough. So we can provide the personal phone number, but we can find the business phone number. That's mean the company phone number. So definitely you must to ensure that with your buyer that we can find the personal phone number. So we will provide you the phone number that's been from their page. You can copy it from here, you can just paste it here. So this is how we can build a email list or architecture list from USA. It's very easy. So if you are watching this video, I hope you can do this project very easily. So it's really easy job and it's available on Upwork. So you can do this project. I think it's a great opportunity to start this kind of project. Okay, so when you complete this project, you can just grab this file, like go to file section. You can also download as Microsoft Excel, PDF, CSV, or you can also share the link with your buyer. So this is the step number 4, I mean. So when the buyer watch your project and sample, so maybe you can get this kind of project. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you think this video is very helpful, please comment below. So your appreciation is inspired me to make this kind of video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back to another video, this kind of project or any money making tutorials. So it will be your last destination to make money online, I think, and I promise. So if you want to talk to me and if you want to DM me, so you can check out my Instagram page. So see you soon. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.